How to download and install Lightcut app on mobile. Want to start editing videos quickly? Here's how to get Lightcut installed in just seconds. First, open your App Store or Play Store according to your device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Lightcut. Once typed, hit the search button. You'll get the list of the apps. Tap on the official Lightcut app once you see it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install. Once installed, open the app and you'll see the welcome screen ready to start your first project. Ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection for smooth installation. Have you tried Lightcut before? Share your first impressions in the comments below. And that's how you can download and install Lightcut app on mobile. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.